Hey everybody, it is, what's today, Sunday the 1st, March 1st, and I'm running over to the barn. I am using my GoPro session, so I don't know if the video quality is any better or worse, but I'll see how you guys like it. It's 1 o'clock right now, we just ate lunch. I got back from a 4-H meeting. Well, it wasn't a meeting. It was our presentations. I did our new calf feeder. Talked about that. That was for like an hour, 2 hours, couple hours. So I'm going over to feed the little bottle calves because they're just about a week old. But you get them so they're born anyways. And then they get colostrum. They go down, they get weighed and everything. And then they get tagged and everything. And then they get put in their pens. We have like 4 or 5 pens in the barn, right in the pen with them. Okay, I think it's working now. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna give my calves some sawdust and some bedding. They got some grain down here and have the chest. Here's the one tag, but it broke off. So I'm gonna give them some sawdust. I got the chest thing on because the head one broke. The screw broke off. So I don't know how good you can see or not. Give the other one some. I'm gonna give the one some new grain too. He dumped it. There. I don't know how good the footage is. It's probably pretty shaky. But I'm just getting started using my GoPro. I also use my GoPro for the pole. What? Just a second. There. See what? Coming. Maybe later, and maybe I can hook it up here on your head.
Yeah.
So, what can I ride? The chain broke.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna get him grain.
Okay.
For one. I'm gonna get him some grain. He always likes to dump it. For some reason. The calf grain that we get from Lutz, I think it's called. It's L-U-T-Z. I'm getting my calves some grain. They don't have milk up there, do they? Yeah.
We'll make it right here.
Okay. It's this kind of grain right there. You can see it. Our grain's a special thing for just our farm, but I have to grab the scoop. Here's my mom's calf, Luna. Hey. She was born on 21st, it looks like. They're doing pretty good. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for music. Here's inside the thing. Looks like 3 calves are drinking. 43, 92, 84, and 14. Those 2 are done, it looks like. She's just starting, yeah. Just broke off. There's my brother again. Here's the pumps, if you see. I don't know if you can see it. But all it is 2 rollers in the pipe. Squishes all the milk out. I need to grab the scoop here quick. So, here's the oldest pen right here. Here's the second, and then that's... So they're all full. Every pen is almost full. Not full. I have to feed all those 3 of them. My dad might help me. So It's pretty good. It's probably just gonna dump it in a little while anyways, so take this up to him quick. Come on, there you go. I'm sure he's gonna eat it some. There's Brandon again. There's 3 of them.
Yeah, you gotta warm up. You need to get make electrolytes.
Tuba?
No.
What about 48?
Oh, she went up and ate.
Oh, she did? Because she didn't want to get up earlier. So this is the bottle. What's the bottle? How much water? Just fill out the water.
Put them in and shake it.
Here, drop the hose. Snow's almost all the way gone. No. He should be good for a while then. He should be good on milk for a while. Give this to her? Okay. If you don't know what electrolytes is, it's pretty much just Gatorade, powdered Gatorade. Mix it with water and it's electrolytes. Electrolytes is in Gatorade. I'm just starting to wean my Angus calves. Come on, suck it down. In 10 days, I'm just starting to wean them. 10 days until they're weaned all the way. But Hash Brown's over there, Hannah's Jersey. And if you hear me saying Hannah, it's a Jersey cow. She's 6 or 7 years old. She's one of my favorite cows. She's super nice. You can run up to her and she won't move, budge. There, you're all done. So, there she is. But that's Hash Brown, the little Jersey. See here, I'm gonna go and take this bottle in. There's Brandon again flying by. But, so I'm gonna throw this in here quick. I'll wash it later. impressive.
The people have been subscribing and leaving likes.
Seriously. So yeah, guys, if you're on Snapchat, add me. It is Andrew W, all lowercase, no space, 44, Andrew W 4440. No spaces, no lower, or no, all lowercase. No undercases or whatever it's called. Here. I couldn't find anything to open it. The tape would not open.
Oh, the octopus?
Yeah. Does it go up their nose or what is it? Oh. Here, does it have to warm up or anything?